When it comes to furnaces, there are many options available. Whether converting from oil to gas, electric to gas, or gas to gas applications, Buttons has you covered. We offer furnaces from single stage, two-stage, to fully modulating. A variety of BTU ratings are available in every model, and at Buttons, all ductwork is custom fabricated to fit your new equipment and home. We always offer the best warranties and stay current on any government rebates available. At Buttons, your satisfaction is our #1 priority.
Your family's comfort is our family's business.